according to Mr. Wilmoth, they've cut the payroll down to $220,000, which is $140,000 lower than last year's payroll numbers, which last year they spent $452,000, so they've cut their expenses down to $330,000. Now, last year their tax revenue was $300,000. With the rollback, even if we pass this rollback, their tax revenue, not any other revenue, is going to go up to, and they get money from billing and from tobacco settlement, but it'll go up to $324,000 approximately. So I don't see why he needs the other 4 cents if he's actually made that cut. That's what doesn't make sense to me at all.
Mr. Wilmoth, in closing, you would say?
Yes, because the salary increases are where the tax increase is coming from. And that, just like I said previously, that is due to being able to retain the people we have. It is very hard to get people to come to a small community and work, so we had to get our payroll up. And that did run us over budget last year, tremendously. That and a few other things that come up that we weren't expecting, and that's part of a budget. A budget is mainly a guess onto what you're going to spend the next year. You don't know what income you're going to have either. So I just encourage the people again to come in and look at the budget and give their suggestions on where there is a place to cut or what they want cut. This vote is going to tell us whether we need to cut back on services or some part of the budget. And I just encourage everybody to come out and vote, whether it be for or against. That's the road we'll go.
Mr. Lohmeyer, briefly, what are you hearing in the community? How do you think this thing will go on Saturday?
I live in a cocoon. People know where I stand. I'm not going to hear from the other side. I honestly don't know how it's going to go. I have nothing personally against any of I appreciate the work they do. I do think it's been mismanaged. I do think that they've depleted the fund balance down to zero. I mean, I haven't seen the new audit, but just by the fact that they spent $100,000 more than they took in. I do object to one thing Mr. Wilmoth keeps bringing up, and that is attracting people into the community. People have to understand that there are at least five paramedics living in the Derzett Hospital District, and only one of them works for Derzett.
Mr. Wilmoth, in closing, what are you hearing? How do you think this vote will go on Saturday?
Oh, I really have no idea. I'm just glad that it's coming to a vote so that we can, as a board, sit there and they keep saying it's mismanaged. We have nobody coming in and saying this is where you need to cut, but this will tell us a lot. And I'm just glad that it's at a vote.